I support that because a lot of us are non-smokers that enjoy going to the slots, and the cigarette is just, the smoke is offensive. I've been there before, had someone sit right down next to me. I try to sit places where there's not so many smoking, then somebody will sit right next to me, and it's terrible. And that's the reason I feel like that they should be smoke-free also, because a lot of us people out here like to play the slots, but we don't go. A lot of us don't go because of the smoke. And they would probably they might get less business. I don't know if they had a smoke-free environment. I don't know. That's something I just don't know. But I can tell you that the of us that don't smoke, it keeps us away.